Hello mga kapuso! Ako po si Ryan Allen, ang dependable daughter ng Makati.
And I am Winona Collings, ang ate de pamilya ng Quezon City.
For me, sa kapuso ko na gusto ko sanang piliin for my crew was Marco. Because the way he thinks, he's so smart and he's very, what's the word? The way he thinks is so task-oriented. And he listens to suggestions, and if hindi maganda yung suggestion, like, he will say it, but nicely. But before, itatry niya muna. And if it doesn't work, dun niya sasabihin, oh, let's try something else. What if this one's better? And then, so yeah, very smart guy. Sa kapamilya naman, Tala. Same as Marco. He's such a smart girl. Yeah. What else? It's like how we think is the same po eh. Like me and Tala. She just has better words than I do. Yeah. But yeah, we think the same, and she'll be good at doing it also. And she'll be strategic. That's the word I was looking for with Marco also. They're both strategic and they're both planners. And I love that in a team. Yeah.
For me, kapuso, honestly, Clifford has a good sense of humor, pero he's so smart when it comes to tasks. Like, he gives good suggestions also, and ang galing niya makisama, as in super. And kung paano siya makisama is papatawa, like, he'll make you laugh, but you know he's serious. So Clifford. And sa kapamilya, Inigo the way he speaks, kung paano siya magsalita, super soft-spoken siya. And super madiskarte. He thinks outside of the box, and parang may good leadership skill.